Hey guys! Want crazy big arms without stepping foot in a gym? No equipment, no excuses. Just raw power and smart moves. Stay with me, because by the end of this 10-minute session, your arms are gonna feel like they're on fire, whether you're at home, in your room, or even on a rooftop. This is the perfect routine to blast your biceps, triceps, and forearms using only your body. Wait, let's dive in. Exercise 1. Diamond push-ups. This is a killer move for your triceps and inner chest. Place your hands in a diamond shape under your chest, go low, and explode up. Make every representative count. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Keep your core tight, slow and controlled. Movement. Exercise 2. Bodyweight curls, isometric hold, no weights. No problem. Stand tall. Flex your biceps hard like you're curling an invisible bar. Hold that squeeze at the top and feel the muscle fire up. Do 3 sets of 30-second holds. Mind-muscle connection is key. Squeeze like you're lifting something heavy. Exercise 3. Triceps dips. Using a chair or edge, use a chair, a bench, or even your bed. Lower your body slowly and push up with force. This one targets the back of your arms hard. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Keep your back close to the surface. Full range of motion for best results. Exercise 4. Push-back push-ups. This unique variation hits your triceps and shoulders at once. Lower down like a normal push-up, then push your hips back and load your arms. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Control each movement. Focus on the triceps squeeze at the end. Exercise 5. Forearm burnout, wrist squeezes and finger pushes. Your forearms bring that full arm look. Do fist clenches, wrist squeezes, and finger push-ups. Burn it out. 3 sets of 20-second holds. Squeeze as hard as you can. Go until it burns. Cool down and motivation feel that pump. That's real progress. No gym, no gear. Just your will and your body. Stick with this routine 3 to 4 times a week and watch your arms grow stronger and more defined. If you liked this workout, hit the like button, subscribe for more no equipment routines, and comment and quote big arms and quote if you're feeling the pump. Strong arms start at home. Now go flex those gains.